Both nearly lost things in that wind then, my towel blew out. But yeah, this is some spectacular scenery on this, the end of this peninsula of Wales. Right, we're heading off to Barmouth, B-A-R-M-O-U-T-H. Walkie-talkies are currently on charge in the back of the car because Ainsley's has died. So we're doing this just by convoy today, without any additional directions by walkie. What I would say about those walkie-talkies is they're supposed to have 5 days on standby life and battery life that is. And yet we've been using them for 4 days and yeah, quite frequently throughout the day, and they've done alright. So yeah, pretty good really. Blue skies up ahead and some coastal views. That looks cool. Oh, that looks nice in the distance. Wow, that opens up there. Whoa! Awesome. We're just driving through Bedrock at the moment. Another one of those quaint little Welsh towns. Look at this. Really enjoyable driving. Just entering Pontcysyllte. Yeah, this seems like a nice little coastal town. Quite a few shops and amenities. No idea how to pronounce this one. Cricket, possibly, not sure. But I reckon we'll be pulling over here a bit of a fuel top up. Put another almost 60 quid in there. Done about 430 miles so far. Still had nearly half a tank left, but we just topped up anyway. I've taken the walkies off charge and we're back on. These mountains look quite impressive up ahead.
Yeah, I was just thinking that as well.
Wow, that just opens up in front.
Yeah, they do.
I love that. That is very Glencoe.
To be fair, we have come this way before.
I thought the signpost looked familiar, but we've obviously just hit it from a different angle, haven't we, before?
Yeah, we came from the other side of the roundabout.
There's an impressive looking castle up ahead. I'm not sure what that one is. Harlech. Or is it Harlech? Tell me in the comments if I've got it.
It does look damn impressive though.
Yeah, look at that castle. That looks quite amazing on the hill there. I think this place is called Llanbedr. And this is Talibont or Telibont. That opens up nice. And now we're just entering Barmouth. We're going to park up here. We'll go for a bit of a meander, I think. Daunting cloud formation there. But yeah, this is a lovely little area. Look at that all nestled into the mountainside there. And then across here, glorious beach with sand dunes. Oh, and there are a couple of geocaches in this area too. He looks happy, doesn't he? Palm trees. A little bit weird. Happy doggo. What is it, Nate? Yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? Dunes! Ains has got roadkill on the phone and we're just taking him for a little meander up the dunes. Oh, that doesn't sound right. We're taking him for a meander up the dunes because he's still recovering from major surgery, so he can't come and do anything at the moment. That there, that's a heck of a bridge structure that cuts across that strait. Phil. Right, we've had something to eat. I'm going to do a geocache. I'm not seeing this one at all. Found it! We booked a camping pod for 2 nights, just so that we don't have to go looking for somewhere to sleep. And then we can relax for these last couple of nights of this trip. Right, we've got some supplies and we're heading towards the campsite. Are you close to the turn-off?
Turning on it now.
Oldest friend is about half a mile or so, a bit longer in front of me, and these walkie-talkies are still working brilliantly. Silly old bugger was right in the middle of the road. You're supposed to carry me over the threshold.
Push you over the threshold in a minute.
Has anybody else had a camping pod before? Because as far as I'm aware, all the ones I've been aware of have had like beds in them and drawers and stuff. Whereas this is just, well, A very empty pod. So if you've had one of these before and it's had a bed in, let me know in the comments because I am intrigued. I mean, thankfully we've got loads of bedding in the car and stuff, so it's not the end of the world and all that kind of stuff. But
No, not at all.
But just a bit of a surprise. For this evening, and because we're relaxing, having a relaxing couple of days, I've decided to go with a load of Welsh stuff. So I bought these yesterday, these Welsh cakes, and I bought some more today because I did feel that they were a bit dry and that they needed something else with them. So got some jam. I've also got this hefty fruit and brandy Welsh recipe fruit loaf, and it does weigh quite heftily. And then we've got Welsh beer. So we've got one of the Purple Moose Brewery's Elderflower Ale. Oddly enough, oldest friend happened to buy the same one. We went around the shop at separate times. Then I've got Dark Side of the Moose, also by Purple Moose. I'm guessing that's a darker one. And then I got one of these Conwy Brewery ones, Honey Fair Golden Honey Ale.
Nice.
Dog's happy, oldest friend's happy, we're not geocaching.
Yeah, but you just spoke my recording.
Right, on tonight's menu, we've got Welsh burgers with a Yorkshire twist. Oh yeah, who needs baps? Oldest friend is doing a chilli and rice. Filthy rich Welsh fruit cake. That wasn't my joints, by the way. Moist. Moist. Because nobody likes damp fruit cake. Who turned lights on? Quite a nice sunset in the distance there. Nice rainbow here this morning. Wow. What we've decided to do today is not an awful lot. We're not going to go driving off and touring today. We are on holiday and the last few days really have been quite frenetic.
We've covered 500 miles driving.
Yeah, so we've done quite a bit, haven't we?
In what, 5 days? So time to relax, chill out. Like you say, we're on holiday.
Yeah, so we're just going to take it easy today and then sort of head back tomorrow. Might find some interesting bits and pieces to show you while we're meandering around. Who knows? Where the hell did that voice come from?
Fart monkey.
We're going for a meander. There's a couple of geocaches close to where we are, so we're going to go and have a look for them. Ains will be delighted.
Found it.
Rocks. Nice little pebbly beach. I would be quite tempted to get the kayak out here and have a bit of a paddle. However, the tide is currently going out and the wind is coming off the shore. I don't know this area that well to say that I'd feel safe doing that. Let's see if we can get a nice skimmer on. Yeah!
Nita!
Nita! Come on, Nita!
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 Nita, come here! Nita, this way! Come on, good girl!
Nita!
Come on!
Wet dog! Wet dog!
Oh, jeez!
Doggy ice cream! Yummy, yummy, yummy! Filth preparation. And pancakes. Pancakes! We've had a chilled out afternoon, very relaxed. We're going to see if the pizza place is open. That's how relaxed we feel at this moment in time. Pizza place was closed. I had fish and chips. Dirty boy had pizza meat, doner meat and chips. And now we're having a bit of small barra berth, a Welsh cake with a bit of butter. Been rudely awakened by quite a heavy drop of rain and a bit of wind. There's some storms coming today. Anyway, we'll be packing up and going home soon, so I thought we might as well have a coffee. Bye bye pod. Right, we're setting off on the final leg of our journey, heading to Trevor Basin, going a different route to what we've done before so far. And Trevor is the home of the Pontcysyllte Aqueduct. Pontcysyllte, yeah, sorry for the mispronunciation, not quite sure how to pronounce it. This has been an epic little adventure so far. It's been brilliant. The cars, apart from Ainsley's little glitch with his, we've had no issues with those. We've had some wonderful little camp spots, and yeah, it's been great. Really good fun. Highlights for me: the Testicle train, Carnarvon Castle, and camping around Snowdon, you know, around the in the car camp around Snowdon, especially at night when it was buffeting the car and the car was shaking.
I forgot to plug it in.
This looks impressive. Just entering Pontcysyllte.
How far away are you from Trevor?
30 miles.
Right, I'm at 29.
We might dip out of range soon. I've made it past it, dude. I don't know if you can hear me. So that back there, that was the first time we've actually lost contact on the walkie-talkies. Not bad, really. They have done really well, these. They've been really impressive. Just going through Corven. Yeah, it's kind of stunning around here. Just crossing the River Dee here. We've taken another turn off to Trevor. Very scenic little route. We're just entering Llangollen at the moment. Here we are entering Trevor. Oh God, that sounds a bit wrong, doesn't it? Trevor Basin. A bit more of it on the other side of the bridge. And here we go across onto the aqueduct. I did actually want to paddle across this, and it's a lot calmer here than I kind of thought at the moment. It's not very windy at all. However, I'm not really sure where you'd drop in, because like we've had to park. Parking is really awkward. We've had to park up a hill somewhere. Maybe there's somewhere on the other side. Yeah, I mean, look how narrow this is. All you've got on that side is just that to stop you from going over the other side. Whoa! It'd be an awesome paddle, especially considering the drop. Yeah, I mean, look at that. All you've got is that, and then that's the River Dee down at the bottom there. Dee. It's not very wide, is it?
Oh dear.
Oldest friend's testicles are tingling.
Oh God. That's all.
It is weird.
Even though it is okay. Oh no. Yes.
Yeah, this will be a fun paddle. Over there in the distance there is another aqueduct. Sorry, viaduct.
No, fight it, Ains. Fight it, lad. You can do this.
How are you doing, oldest friend?
I'll tell you when we get back to dry land.
I mean, look how narrow it is for that canal boat up ahead. So yes, this is...
It's a bit breezy as well.
Yeah. So yeah, this is the tallest canal aqueduct that boats can traverse in the world. Right, we're heading back across. Yeah, it's fair to say this does mess with your head a little bit. Oh yeah. Oldest friend's gone. So yeah, 9:58. We haven't had breakfast yet, so let's go and find somewhere for food. All right. I think they're in for a bumpy side ride. Right, we're heading out of Trevor now, and we're looking for somewhere, probably a service station en route back, for something to eat. Yeah, looking at these weather conditions, it seems fortuitous that we're actually going home today. Oldest friend and I have just stopped off with at a service station on the way home. Just wanted to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed our little jaunt. Been good fun, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's been quite epic at times, and quite an adventure. So you know what to do if you like what we're doing. Stick a subscribing, all that kind of stuff, and a like. Alright, thanks for watching. Take care, cheerio.
Goodbye.
Say goodbye, Neat.
Goodbye.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit, dude.
Yeah.
Alright, you take care.